So, hi dear Capricorn, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for. This is Anjali Love Tarot actually, and this is a journal love reading for all the Capricorn Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Okay, so this is a reading. This is journal. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. Resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. Third thing, this is a reading from 22nd till the end of December. So let's start, honey. Capricorn, your partner's current feelings for you right now are, let's see. Capricorn, let's see. King of Swords, your partner right now is acting very closed and detached and off, and they are not showing you what they are feeling. So this is what they're feeling like. They are cold and detached and off, and they are acting kind of weird with you. It's like they are showing you something else, but they are feeling something else. This is what I'm getting here. Okay, I have to clarify the King of Swords. King of Swords is generally very intellectual, and they know what they want. They are very bossy kind of energy. Let me clarify the King of Swords. Let's see. This person plays with their mind rather than with their heart. It's like they are keeping their mind above their heart. Let's see. Okay, let's clarify the King of Swords. The Star, the Five of Swords, and the Page of Cups. Their ego is not letting them feel their feelings. They have feelings for you, they want to talk to you, but their ego is not letting them come to you or talk to you. This person is trying to heal from a situation, okay, heal from the past situation, but because of his ego, because of his or her ego, they are not able to understand their own feelings. They do have feelings for you. This is Page of Cups. It's like not mature, but they do have feelings for you, love feelings for you, and they are trying to suppress these feelings. This is what they are feeling right now, trying to suppress what they are feeling. Okay, honey, why the hell are you doing this? Why? I don't know why people make it very complicated. It's very simple. If you love somebody, just talk to them. No? Yeah, it is. Okay, let's see what you feel for them, Capricorn. Your feelings for them matters a lot. Oh, Devil. This is you, Capricorn. This is Devil. So it could be third party situation, or you are feeling like this person is highly toxic and you left them, or it could be like you left them because of somebody, or they left you because of somebody, or this could simply mean that this person is very toxic, very possessive, or very obsessive, or not able to understand how things should be. This is not a healthy connection. You feel like this is not a healthy connection. That's what I'm getting here. So definitely you feel like there's some kind of dark energy in this connection. This is not a healthy connection. Okay, I'm not talking about black magic or something here. Please relax. But yes, you feel like this connection is not healthy, and there's some kind of negativity, toxicity in this connection. Let me clarify. Devil energy is Capricorn only. You are feeling what you feel like every time, might be. You don't trust people very easily, Capricorn. Trust issues. Okay, Two of Swords and the Moon and the Seven of Wands. You're on the crossroads regarding this person. You're scared of something. You're scared of talking to this person. You're feeling like this is highly toxic. They're always in some mysterious zone. They're always in some kind of negativity. That's why you're just blocking yourself from talking to them. I feel like for some of you, you block them from everywhere, or every social media platform, or every on call or text or whatever it is, because you feel like this person is very mysterious. Okay, and this person is not positive. This is because the Moon card is also here, the Devil card is also here, could be dealing with the Pisces here. But Capricorn, I feel like you are cutting out this person from your life. It's like this person is giving me a headache, more than love, more than any kind of happiness. They are giving me headache. They are giving me bad vibes, so I better not talk to them. This is what you feel for them. Wow, heavy, very heavy energy. Oops. Let's see what this person wants from you. This person does have feelings for you. I can clearly see that, but they are suppressing their feelings. Might be because you are not talking to them but their ego is, their ego is talking to them that don't tell this person, don't tell Capricorn that you have feelings for them. Oops. Let's see what this person wants from you. Emperor, decision. You could be dealing with an Aries. This person wants certain kind of decision from this situation. Okay, so they feel like you're acting very weird and cold and off and detached. They want you to loosen up. They want you to relax. They want you to be very, very flexible. Not very, very kind of, not a yoga teacher, but yeah, they want you to be flexible. They want you to conversate with them. They want you to leave your rudeness, because you're acting very rude with them. I can see them. They want you to unblock you. Unblock them, sorry. Let me clarify. Let's clarify. The Emperor. Oops, the Emperor is clarified by the Emperor, the Eight of Cups, and the Death. My God. Ouch. I feel like, although you guys are not talking to each other, I feel like there's not a closure, that they want a closure from you. They want a valid reason of why you walked away, why you ended things. Oh God. You could be dealing with a Scorpio, because the Eight of Cups is also here, the Death card is also here, and it is giving me the vibes that you left them without giving any closure, or they left you without giving any closure, and that's why this person wants a closure. This is what they want. They want you to make a decision, this is very heavy. Let me see once more. Somebody is taking a decision of walking away and ending things. It could be you, it could be them. But for most of you, I feel like it is you who is walking away and is ending things, and they want to talk about this. They want a closure. This person wants a closure from you. Oh God. Let's see what you want from them. Okay, relax, relax, relax. My God. No, sweetie. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's see what do you want from this person, Capricorn? What your energy says. This is very dark reading. Oh God. It's already giving me headache. Don't do that. Like, from all the earth signs today, Taurus got the positive reading, but in the end they also fucked up. Earth signs right now, this is like a little messy energy. What you feel for them is Five of Cups. Oh my God, you people, why don't you guys talk to each other and clarify everything? Lots of misunderstandings, lots of things, lots of toxic energy, lots of misinterpretation of things. You are feeling regret. You are feeling regret of some kind. It's like you're feeling the loss, you're grieving, you're feeling some kind of regret. You're like, why the hell things happened the way it happened? And you're grieving the loss. I don't see you very happy leaving this person, but you had to take this decision because might be of somebody else tied up to you, or because you felt this is not healthy, or this is not good. I don't know what you felt, but this is like you are in pain, Capricorn. You are in deep pain. Okay, relax. I'm sorry. So I have to clarify the Five of Cups. First of all, let's see. Clarifying the Five of Cups. Let's see. The Knight of Wands and the Fool and the Nine of Wands in reverse. You are still passionate about this connection. You still think a lot about this connection. You want to take a leap of faith with this connection. You want to give them another chance. This is what you want from this person. You don't want them to give up on this situation, because I feel like this person is totally giving up on this situation. You also giving up on this situation, but you don't want them to give up on this situation. So they want a closure from you, and what you want them back. You want them to give this connection a second chance and open up with you. And for some of you, it's ridiculous to say, but you want sex from this person. Nothing but like sexual encounter. Might be breakup sex. This is what you want from them. I'm sorry, but I'm being very serious here. So what you want from them, you want them to come towards you, be passionate with you again, to take a leap of faith with you, to take another chance on this connection with you, and not to give up on you. But I feel like this person is giving up on you, and that is making you really very sad. That's breaking your heart because they're giving up. But you don't want them to give up on the situation. Oh God. And although I can say you are the rude one here, you created this for yourself. This is what I'm getting here. I'm really sorry for being so honest and blunt. I don't sugarcoat my reading to fit in your scenario. So you have to hear what I'm saying. You have to hear the truth. Let's see what to expect from this person till the end of December. Let's see what to expect from this person till the end of December. Let's see. Three of Pentacles. I feel like this person is coming back to repair the things that didn't work out between you guys. Three of Pentacles. Okay, I have to clarify this, but for most of you, I feel like this person wants to work on the situation and they want to communicate with you, and I feel like this person is coming to you to, you know, have a reconciliation thing, have a conversation thing, at least. If not reconciliation, they want to communicate with you. They want to confront you. They want a closure. I told you this person want a closure, and that's why I feel like this person is coming to you for that final closure. Let me clarify. Things are falling apart right now. Page of Wands and the Lover's card and the oh God. This, can it be more difficult to understand what the hell is happening here, Capricorn? I feel like this person is going to talk to you about all the things that didn't work out or all the things that worked out. And I feel like for some of you, I feel like this person is walking away because of somebody else. And it's the final breakup for some of you. See, I feel like this person is coming to you, Capricorn, and you guys are going to talk a lot. Okay, a lot of communication is happening between you guys, and finally I feel like this person is going to take a decision between you and somebody else, or it could be you. For mostly I'm getting that this is you are going to choose one from the another. You are going to choose one from the two people, because the Lovers is also here, Three of Pentacles is here, the Devil is here. I can clearly see there's a third party situation here, and because of because of the third party, because of the interference, it could be anyone. All this fallout, all this breakup thing is happening, and finally when they're coming, there's a decision coming, and after this decision, this is a sudden realization about somebody. Like, might be they're going to choose you over somebody else, or you are going to choose them over somebody else. But I can see like these things are changing. Give me a second, please. Somebody's at my door. Yeah, so I feel like a decision is coming. Okay, you are going to finally make a decision regarding this connection, or they are both of you are going to make a decision for the final breakup thing or final makeup thing. Okay, this is what I'm getting here. So let's see what the universe has for you, Capricorn. Let's see what the universe has for you. Let's see. Three of Cups. Celebration. So this is the guidance card for you. The universe is telling you that go to your friends, meet new friends, or celebrate something. Might be you're going to celebrate this connection after the decision is taken. But for most of you, I feel like the universe wants to tell you to just be with your friends. Don't be alone. Don't be in this energy of I don't want to live, I don't want to do anything, I don't want to go anywhere. No, don't do that. When you are going to go out, I feel like you will going to meet somebody new, or you are going to have a reconciliation with somebody there from the past, like on a friendship level. But yes, do that. Thank you so much, Capricorn, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.